Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my daily routine with these simple habits to start living my best life. The way we approach our daily lives has a profound impact on our overall well-being, happiness, and success. By incorporating simple yet powerful habits into our routines, we can transform our lives in profound ways. These habits have the power to shift our perspectives, improve our mood, and bring us closer to living our best lives. Stress, anxiety, and feelings of overwhelm are common struggles that many of us face on a daily basis. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life and lose sight of what's truly important to us. We often feel stuck, like we're just going through the motions, without any sense of direction or purpose. Many of us know what we want to achieve, but we lack the motivation and energy to take consistent action towards our goals. We get caught up in unhealthy routines that drain our energy and leave us feeling unfulfilled. It's time to break free from these patterns and create a life that truly reflects our values and desires. But where do we start? The truth is, making significant changes in our lives can be daunting, and it's hard to know where to begin. That's why I want to share with you some simple yet powerful habits that have the potential to transform your life. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you'll start to notice profound shifts in your energy, motivation, and overall well-being. You'll begin to feel more inspired, more focused, and more aligned with your goals and values. One of the most powerful habits I want to share with you is gratitude journaling. Taking just a few minutes each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for has a profound impact on your mindset and well-being. It helps to shift your focus away from what's lacking and towards the abundance and goodness in your life. Regular exercise is another habit that has the power to transform your life. Exercise releases endorphins, which improve your mood and energy levels, and can even reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and deep breathing, can also have a profound impact on your mental and emotional well-being. I know from personal experience that incorporating these habits into my daily routine has been a game changer for me. I've seen a significant shift in my energy, motivation, and overall happiness. But what I want to share with you is more than just my own experience. I've seen the impact these habits have had on countless others, and it's truly inspiring. I want to share with you a powerful story of someone who was struggling to find direction and purpose in their life. They felt stuck, overwhelmed, and lacked the motivation to make any significant changes. But then they started incorporating these simple habits into their daily routine. They started gratitude journaling, exercising regularly, and practicing mindfulness. And what happened was nothing short of miraculous. They started to feel more inspired, more motivated, and more aligned with their goals and values. They began to see the world in a new light, and their life was transformed in profound ways. Incorporating these simple habits into your daily routine has the power to transform your life. By shifting your focus towards gratitude, exercise, and mindfulness, you'll start to see profound changes in your energy, motivation, and overall well-being. Remember, it's not about making huge changes overnight. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards the life you truly desire. Thanks for tuning in, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some simple habits that have had a profound impact on your life? Be sure to share them with me, and don't forget to check out my next video on personal development.